Namaskar viewers, welcome to the News Missile Special Morning News Top Headlines. PM Modi arrives in London. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday kickstarted his two-day visit to the UK to expand the bilateral ties in areas of defence, trade and technology, with the formalisation of the landmark India-UK free trade deal set to be a major outcome of his trip. India, Israel to work towards developing institutional framework to deepen defence ties. Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh held a bilateral meeting with Director General, Israel's Ministry of Defence, Major General Reyes Amir Baram in New Delhi, during which the two sides agreed to further strengthen the bilateral defence cooperation with a long-term perspective, officials said. MHA starts vacating North Block, shifting to new CCS3 building. The Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, has started vacating the British-era North Block located in the Risina Hills and shifting to a new building along the Kartavya Path, near India Gate, as part of the Narendra Modi government's Central Vista plan to refurbish the heart of the capital. In verses N, there was no pressure on me, Pant was in pain, will undergo scans, says Sudhar San. BMC engineers eye-catching assets, 200 grams of gold, country-made gun seized. Balanga patient undergoes surgery, condition still critical. Mahandi dispute, Odisha CM seeks amicable settlement with Chhattisgarh. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi said Wednesday that the ongoing dispute with neighbouring Chhattisgarh over the distribution of Mahandi water could be amicably resolved through negotiations between both states with the centre's support, an official statement said. Odisha Congress extends conditional support to BJD over BJP no trust bid. The BJD said its legislative party would take a final decision in this regard before the upcoming assembly session. OPCC President Bhakta Charan Das, while addressing a press conference here, said, as the state's principal opposition party, the BJD should move a no-confidence motion against the Mohan Charan Majhi government in Odisha over the rising crimes against women. We will support the BJD if it moves such a motion for the greater interest of the state. Odisha Kendujhar, district-level Nanda festival to be held in Dabuna preparatory meeting of Krishna Leela Folk Dance Society. Odisha Angul District, Health Department Standing Committee day-long visit to Talcher. Odisha Kendujhar, the administration has shown readiness to renovate the Muruga Mahadev Road for the devotees of Shraddhalu. High Court notice to Congress and BJD for Odisha Bandh agitation. Odisha Angul District Talcher, Basant Sahu, 73, a resident of Jambubonia, Ward number 9 under Talcher Municipal Council, is facing the problem of not being eligible for the Madhubabu pension scheme despite running from office to office for the past year. Bharatiya Janata Party Cuttack district holds a roadshow to expose Congress's double-faced policies and burns an effigy of the MLA from Barapti Cuttack. Embassy responds after Indian national faces racist attack in Ireland. Lok Sabha Speaker pays floral tributes to Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Prime Minister pays tributes to Chandra Shekhar Azad on his birth anniversary. Said on X tributes to Chandra Shekhar Azad on his birth anniversary. He epitomized unparalleled valor and grit. His role in India's quest for freedom is deeply valued and motivates our youth to stand up for what is just, with courage and conviction. Bihar's railway budget sees historic growth, 9-fold rise in 11 years, says Ashwini Vaishnav. Ministry approves 14,599 Anganwadi cum creches under Palna scheme. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe with press the bell icon for next video news bulletin.